Hello friends. Welcome to our channel, English Learning. In this video, we learn meaning of consent in English and Hindi. If you found this video helpful, then please hit like button and share this video. Meaning of consent in English is to give permission for something to happen. Consent का हिंदी अर्थ होता है सहमति, सहमत होना या अनुज्ञा. Don't take the car without the owner's consent. मालिक की सहमति के बिना कार न लें. Her father reluctantly consented to her marriage. उसके पिता ने अनिच्छा से उसकी शादी के लिए सहमति दे दी. I will not consent to the divorce. मैं तलाक के लिए सहमति नहीं दूंगी. Silence gives consent. मौन सहमति देता है.
If you are watching this video on YouTube, then please subscribe to our channel, or if you are watching it on Facebook, kindly follow our page, and also don't forget to like and share this video.